When it comes to e-commerce platforms, choosing the right one for a growing brand is crucial. BigCommerce versus Shopify, which has more scalable features. Stick around because we're diving deep into both of these popular platforms and breaking down the key factors you need to know before deciding which is the best fit for your brand's growth. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Shopify has long been known for its user-friendly interface. It's built for people with little to no technical experience. You can quickly launch a store, add products, and customize themes without much hassle. But BigCommerce is no slouch either. It also has a user-friendly setup, but offers more complex features out of the box for users looking to scale quickly. However, this can be a bit intimidating for beginners since it comes with more advanced tools that you might not immediately need. Next thing, customization and flexibility. Shopify's app ecosystem is a huge advantage here. With thousands of apps in the Shopify App Store, you can extend your store's functionality as your business grows. However, some of these apps come with monthly fees that can add up fast. BigCommerce, on the other hand, includes more advanced features natively, like multi-currency support and better integration with shipping providers, without needing to purchase additional apps. But that means fewer customization options compared to Shopify's massive app marketplace. The third thing to consider is pricing. Shopify has a simple, tiered pricing structure, but as you scale up, you may find that you're paying higher transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. BigCommerce's pricing structure, however, is more based on your store's annual sales. As your sales grow, so will your planned costs, but BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees at all, which can save you money in the long run. Now, let's discuss SEO and marketing tools. Shopify gives you access to a range of marketing tools like email campaigns, social media integrations, and SEO features. But BigCommerce stands out here because it has more built-in SEO features, especially for larger stores. It allows for more detailed URL structure customization, advanced product filtering, and better schema markup options, which can help your brand rank better as you scale. Moving on to scalability and performance. Shopify is definitely capable of handling significant traffic and sales volume, especially with its Shopify Plus plan, but it may require more investment to get there. BigCommerce, however, was built with scalability in mind. It supports larger catalogs, more SKUs, and can handle high-volume businesses with ease, making it ideal for rapidly growing brands. Finally, the support and community. Shopify has a massive user base, so it's easy to find tutorials, forums, and third-party experts to help when you run into issues. Their customer support is available 24/7 by chat, email, and phone, but they've been criticized for having long wait times during peak periods. BigCommerce support is generally regarded as solid, offering 24/7 live chat and phone support, but the community is smaller compared to Shopify's, which can make troubleshooting a little more challenging. After trying both platforms myself, I have to say, BigCommerce and Shopify are great choices depending on your needs, but if you're truly looking for a platform that's even better suited for rapid growth, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description. It offers a free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. If you want to unlock the best tools and features for a growing brand with no hidden fees or complex pricing, take advantage of that link for the best free trial out there. Don't miss it.